Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the how to download and install the Filmora software for free. Go to Google Drive or check in the description for the link and download it. You will get the zip file, so extract it the same way. Now the file is going to extract, so please subscribe my channel for more updates. So now here we extracted the download file, so we have the software link here. Now click on the software, so install it. So I already installed the software, so let us check it once. This is the software. So after some times it will open. It's opening. So it is now open. So let us check it whether it is activated or not. Just close this one. See here asking the free trial or sign up. So it is not activated. So for this, now we have to open the downloaded file. See, we here have the lock. Open this folder. This is software, this is lock. Just click right click and run as an administrator. So now let us check this one. We have some formats: activate, reactivate license for 1, so deactivate license for 2. So we have like 4, 5, 6, 7 download FX packs. Now command us give the 1 for activate the software. See, it is activating now. Yes, it is okay now, activated. It is finished. So now let us go back to the Filmora and check it whether it is activated or not. So I am opening the Filmora software. Yeah, let us check it is whether it is activated or not. Now your license has been successfully activated. So this is the method how to activate it, Filmora software for free. It may takes 1 or 2 times to activate through the path, but it will activate definitely. So this is the one method. So we have different options here. See, this is the best software for editing the videos for YouTube. If you want to update the software, you can update also by clicking the update. So here we have an update. So this is about Filmora software, how to download. And friends, thanks for watching. Thank you so much.